The next category we have from the rule of Nun Saakin is Idghaam, which means to merge. The 6 letters which are relevant to this rule are Ya, Ra, Mim, Lam, Waw, and Nun. Some people combine these 6 letters so they don't forget and refer to them as Yarmalun. These 6 letters are further divided into 2 groups because there are differences between how they should be recited when it's preceded by a Nun Sakin or Tanween. The first group is Ya, Mim, Waw, and Nun. When a Nun Sakin or Tanween is followed by a word which starts with one of these letters, there is a Ghunna sound, and we recite this with 2 harakat as the Nun and one of these 4 letters merge together. For example, for Ya, فَمَن يَعْمَلْ بَعْضٍ يَتَسَاءَلُونَ. For Mim, مِن مِثْلِ مِن مَارِجٍ. For Waw, لَهَبٍ وَتَبٍّ سَدًّا وَمِنْ خَلْفِهِمْ. For Nun, مَن نَشَاء إِن نَحْنُ. Now, for the 2 letters which are left over, Lam and Ra, whenever a Nun Sakin precedes a word which starts with those 2 letters, the Nun is omitted completely. There is no Ghunna sound and there is no sort of elongation. Basically, you ignore the Nun even exists and connect the previous letter to the next word. Let's look at a few examples. For Ra, مِن رَبِّكَ غَفُورًا رَحِيمًا. For Lam, كُلٌّ لَمَّا لَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ. The final category we have left over for Nun Sakin is the rule for Ikhfaa, which means to hide or cover. When Nun Sakin or a letter with Tanween is followed by any of the 15 letters which I did not mention as part of Idghaam, Idhar, or Iqlab, the Nun Sakin or Tanween is pronounced with a light nasal sound or Ghunna, and it's elongated 2 harakat. Now the Nun Sakin is there, but it isn't pronounced heavily because we said Ikhfaa means to hide. These 15 letters are Sheen, Seen, Dhal, Dal, Jim, Tha, Ta, Dha, Ta, Dad, Sad, Kaf, Qaf, and Fa. Now, I want you to pay attention to the following examples. أنتم أنفسهم عند الله أنذرتهم من الإنس وعذاب شديد من ثمرة أنجينا تنزيل فانظر بريح طيبة عن ضيف شيء فردوه من قبل منكم. This concludes the rule of Nun Sakin. This rule comes in many parts and it will take some time to master it all, but it's all about practice.